Hello everyone. Today in this session we will see the introduction of algebraic expression. Students, we all know x, y, z, they all are variables. Whereas the numbers 1, 2, 3, 100, they all are constants. Let us see, sum of 3 and 7. How will you write this? 3 plus 7. Sum means we need to do the addition and it is 3 plus 7. It has only numbers, so we can say it is a numerical expression. Then sum of a number and 4, that is x plus 4. That number we have to consider x. We don't know that number, so we can consider that x and x plus 4. We can put any value of x here, so it is a algebraic expression. And sum of a number and 4 equals to 15. That number we have considered already x, and x plus 4 is equals to 15. This is a equation. Now the next term is a 2x. Here in this 2x, 2 is the coefficient and x is a variable, and that 2x is called as a algebraic term. Now we will see the terms. Here 3, it has only one term. 3 plus x, it has two terms, 3 and x, and they are separated by plus sign. 3 divided by x, one number is divided by the other and it gives only one term. And 4 plus x minus y, it has three terms, 4, x and y, and they are separated by plus and minus sign. And the last one is 3x, it has only one term. 3x, in between 3 and x, multiplication sign is there, but it gives only one term. By observing these examples, here only plus and minus sign, they separate the terms. Multiplication and division, they do not separate the terms. Now, we will see the types of variable. But before going to start the types of variable, first of all, we need to know the power of a variables. So here, consider two different terms, 7xy and 25x square y. So in the 7xy, x and y, two variables are here, and what is the power of x? Here power of x is y and power of y is 1. Here power of x is 2 and power of y is 3 in this example. So now let's see the types of a term. There are two types of terms. One is like term and the other one is like term. So what is mean by this like term and unlike terms? In the like terms, the variables are same and the power of variable should be same. Whereas in unlike terms, variables, they are same or different. The power should not be same, but the power should not be same. So here, let's see one example. 5xy and 15xy. Now here you observe in the first algebraic term 5xy, x and y variables, and in the second algebraic term 15xy, variables x and y. Now again we observe the power of variables. In both the algebraic terms, the power of a variable is 1. Both the x and y, power of both the variables is 1. One more example we will see here, 3x square y and 10xy square. Again here in both the terms you observe variables are same or different. In the first example, x square y, variables are same, x and y, and in the second, x y square. But observe the power of variable. Here in the first term, power of variable, power of x is 2, but here power of x is 1. Again here power of y is 1 and here power of y is 2. So they are different, so it is a unlike term. Let's see one more example, minus 7abc and 13ab. Here in these two algebraic terms, the first algebraic term contains three variables a, b, c, whereas in the second algebraic term only two variables are there, a and b, so they are also unlike terms. Now we can, next one, we can do the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of algebraic expression. Let's here, today we will see the addition of algebraic expressions. Addition of algebraic expressions we can do in two ways, by vertical arrangement and by horizontal arrangement. Here is the example, first algebraic equation, x square plus y square minus 2xy, and the second is 2x square plus 3xy minus 3y square. We can add these two algebraic expressions by vertical arrangement. When we are doing the addition of algebraic expressions, like terms you have to write below the like term. So here the first algebraic term x square plus y square minus 2xy, and the second algebraic term 2x square minus 3y square plus 5xy. Here you observe it. Plus 5xy, which is in second position, but here written in the third position, that is minus 2xy and then plus 5xy, they are like terms. X square, 2x square, they are also like terms. Y square minus 3y square, they are also like terms. So all the like terms are one below the other. Here the addition is the x square. What is the coefficient of x square? Its coefficient is 1. So 1x square plus 2x square is equals to 3x square. Second one, 1y square minus 3y square, then plus 1 minus 3, which is equals to minus 2, and y square we have to write as it is in the multiplication, that is answer is minus 2y square. And the next one, minus 2xy plus 5xy minus 2 plus 5, which is equals to 3xy, and this is the answer, 3x square minus 2y square plus 3xy. In this way, we can do the addition of algebraic expressions. I hope you all get the idea of this term, power of a variable, and types of terms like terms and unlike terms. Thank you everyone.